Hello everyone, I'm back with another off-campus drive, that is Apicero. So this was a great opportunity to you guys because there is no need of any experience. So let's see all the eligibility criteria and the position, the workplace, all these things right now. The position is software engineer. So you will be working as a job role called software engineer. The experience is, as I have said, there is no need of any experience. You should be a fresher. Either it could be a 2021, 2020, you should be a fresher. Coming to the employment, you will be having a full-time employment, which means you will be getting paid. It is not an internship, it was a job. And coming to the workplace, it is a pan-India. They did not give any particular job location. So you should be available to any particular job locations where they just need you to work. So coming to the eligibility criteria, which is called 6 skills needed. Coming to that, they did not mention any particular percentages or any particular streams. They just given a particular courses, which is BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech. So there is no particular percentage or any particular stream. So if you are having any degree from this particular courses, you can apply for this, and you should be very fast to work, as well as you should be ready for any type of shifts like day shift or night shift, and you should be learning very eagerly, as well as you should implement those in a practical way. So these are just basic skills that you need. And coming to the role responsibilities, you have all these things. You just go through it. I'll be giving you the application link in the description box. Go through that link and apply for this particular drive, and go through role responsibilities as well. Whenever you just apply for this particular drive, not only for this drive, any drives, you must know the role responsibilities. It can help you in interview. And coming to the Apicero, what this particular Apicero is offering us is best in industry compensation. That means best salary and health and wellness benefits, as well as employee rewards program, retirement savings plan, flexible schedules, paid maternity and paternity leave. So these are the things that Apicero is offering us. And coming to down, you can just see what is Apicero machine, all these things. You can just go through it. Whenever you apply to any company, you must know basic details about that particular company. So make sure you are reading particular paragraph, but now I am just skipping this out because it can take so much time. And you have 4 reasons why to choose Apicero right there. So let's straight away go to the application link. So if you just go back, you can just see the apply now button. If you just click on that, you will be straight moving to this particular application area, where it is very easy to fill, like first name, last name, email, mobile number, academic year, aggregate percentage or CGPA, area of interest, resume, like where did you hear about this. So all these details, after filling that, I'll be just coming back. So just please wait a second. And yes, I'm back by filling this form. So you need to upload your resume. Make sure you are uploading your resume in PDF format only. I'm repeatedly saying this particular statement in every video. So please make sure you are uploading your resume in PDF format only. You should not apply it in docs format, all those things, because it will not look good. So select where did you hear about this, either anything, like I'm just selecting other job portal, and then click on the checkbox, I'm not a robot, and then submit it. And the submission, like the application will be submitted. Just wait a second, it takes up a few seconds because it is working, like more people are working on this particular website. So you can just see that, thank you, that a member of our talent acquisition team will be in contact shortly. So they will be in contact through email or the number that you have given in that particular application form. So that's all about this session. Hope it is helpful. If it is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.